we still got to replace the rubber gasket in the turlet. It's not holding water. It's happened before. We went ahead and tried to lubricate it. Well, that didn't work. So we ordered some new ones, and they were here when we got home. So I'm going to head on in there and we'll see how that goes. Brenda's going to go ahead and do it. The reason she's going to do it is because, you know, with the rubber gloves, she has small hands. Mine won't fit the gloves, so they keep ripping. So I figured, you know what, since the gloves fit you and all that, you go ahead and do it. So let's go ahead and go inside and check that out.
Okay, so this is a very common problem with these Dometic toilets. I'm sure Thetford, I think it's Thetford, has the same problem. But when you go to fill it up with water, it just drains and doesn't leave the water seal around it. So how you change this, of course, you got to get gloves on. You got to get in here. This is the scariest part because you don't want to lose that down there. So you just go and you take it off like that. Pretty simple. Can you open that? I'm going to toss that in the garbage. And then you get the new one. And I have just a little bit of silicone that I'm just going to kind of lubricate it. And this is a non-brand one. So, but it does say on here, this side up. So now the good thing about this is you can just leave it closed. You want to make sure that that's nice and clean in there. You would want to go in there. I've already did this because I literally just cleaned this because I was trying to get the other one to work and it would not work. So anyway, you can leave that closed and you just go down there and pop it in. And hopefully it works because this is a, let's see. This one is a different brand, so I'm hoping that it all works.
Where'd you get it?
This is, I bought it on Amazon. But it does seem a little bit, to be honest, it does not seem right. I get that in there seated. It feels like it might be too big for it. Yeah. Okay, got it in there. I'm not confident that this is right, but we're going to try.
This is one way to find out, huh?
Turn the water pump on.
Okay.
And then we'll see if it holds the water.
Pump on. Come on, baby. I don't want to waste $4 here. Is that what it costs?
$8.99.
$8.99 for two?
For two.
Uh-oh. Don't think it's working.
I can hear it draining. So, I think Amazon, nope.
What do you think? A bust?
I think it's a bust.
We're going to have to spend how much?
The $36 for
36 bones?
$36 for the seal. Yeah, it's leaking. I tried.
Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know if I can deal with spending $36 on a stupid thing that goes in the turlet. But whatever. It's definitely going slower.
Yeah, but it's not working.
Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we'll have to keep you up on speed on this one because we will have
So my advice, spend the money.
Yeah, we're going to have to order another one and see if that'll work. So, all right, we'll catch you guys all on the flip side. Well, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? We got some more news. We don't give up, right?
No. So I realized that maybe I didn't have it quite seated and there's like a little ridge in there and that has to be in between the two parts of the rubber. So I think I didn't have it well in one spot and that's why it was still leaking. So I just kind of played around with it and it works. So
and not only that, I saved how much money? That's what I'm talking about.
So it is made in China.
Chinese.
But yeah, so you can purchase them
Yeah.
on Amazon, and they do work. So
Good deal. All right. We'll get done with this, and then we'll head on to the next, issue.
Adventure.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Well, we got to deal with the inverter
Yeah,
issue,
which I don't think is going to be a big deal,
so
but
we'll find out.
we'll check it out. All right. Catch y'all later.
See you later.